All right, I'm going to show you how to use my war game for CS440 at University of Illinois. This is for the second MP. So here is my war game, and you can see I have it paused right now. This is one of the default boards that was provided with the assignment. It's called Keren. You can see up at the top left there the name of the board that we're playing. And on the right, you can see some stats about the game that's being played. If I push P, it will unpause it and the game will start. And the agents will step through it on their own using a Minimax algorithm, because that's what we have selected in search type on the top right there. And now the game is complete, and you can see the summary of the game in those boxes on the right. If you want to play a different board, there are 7 available in this folder that I've got here. So just hit the number of the board that you want. So for example, 2 is Narvik. So I just hit 2, and now the agents are playing Narvik. If you would like to make it a little bit more interesting, you can handicap one of the players. Pushing K, we will reduce the depth that blue can go, and pushing L will reduce the depth that red can go, and I and O will increase the depth of blue and red respectively. So let's decrease the depth of blue by 1 and see how that goes by pushing 2 again to restart the board. So see, blue lost now. This board should tie, but blue lost because it was not as smart as red. So let's put blue back at 3, and we'll just go ahead and play all the boards. So here comes Sevastopol. Equal depth again. And Smolensk. And Weserplatte. And now here are some boards that I made. This is the first one. And this is the second one. Oh, here we go. All right, so there you go. It solved all those boards. So now let's check out Smolensk again. And this time we'll switch the search types around. So H and J will toggle blue between Minimax. H is Minimax and J is alpha beta. And Y and U do the same thing for red. So let's play blue alpha beta against red Minimax on Smolensk. All right, that wasn't as interesting as I hoped it would be. Let's switch them and try. We'll try Sevastopol. All right, that's better. So look at the average elapsed time. Red was alpha beta and blue was Minimax, and red took about a third of the time to pick its moves as blue did. And same with the average nodes expanded. It was between 3 and 4 times fewer nodes expanded in the alpha beta strategy, but the exact same outcome, so it's more efficient. All right, so as I said before, P will pause the game. So let's pause it, and let's go back to Keren. So I just hit the number 1 to go back to Keren, and it resets the board and brings it back and loads it. And then if I push 0, you'll activate player mode. And so now it's my turn. So I'll unpause the game. And using A, W, S, and D, you can go left, up, down, and right respectively with this green cursor. And you can choose any circle you like to place your move. And then you push X to choose one. And so you'll place it down, and then the computer will go. They're red. He played in the bottom left there. And so then I can use A, W, S, and D again to go and choose any other square or circle, and then X to move there. And this can keep going until just hold down X and play the whole game. And there we go. I was beaten pretty badly by the computer. You can see that algorithms are better than humans a lot of the time with these simple games. So there you go. That is the really quick rundown of my war game. Thank you.